Hello everyone. In last video we had talked about section B of chapter 1 to 4. Now today we are going to take section B of chapter 5 to 7. So let's get started. Starting with chapter number 5, section B, answer in one sentence, and the first question is state the use of litmus paper. And the answer is litmus paper is used to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Second question is state the chemical name of quicklime, and the answer is the chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide. Third question is state the chemical name of washing soda, and the answer is the chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. Fourth question is how are bases to taste and touch, and the answer is bases are bitter to taste and soapy to touch. Fifth question is state the effect of common salt solution on litmus paper, and the answer is there is no effect of common salt solution in litmus paper. Now talking about give differences, and the first one is acids or bases. First point in acids, they are sour to taste. First point in bases, they are bitter to taste and soapy to touch. Second point is they turn blue litmus paper red, and in bases they turns red litmus paper blue. Third point in acids, they remains colorless with phenolphthalein solution. In bases they give pink color with phenolphthalein. Second one is acids and salt. First point in acids, they are sour to taste. First point in salts, they are salty or astringent to taste. Second one is they turn blue litmus paper red. In salt, mostly they do not affect the litmus paper. Third one is bases and salt. First point in bases, they are soapy to touch. First point in salt, they are not soapy to touch. Second point, they turn red litmus paper blue. Second point in salt, mostly they do not affect the litmus paper. Now starting with chapter number 6, section B, one sentence, and the first one is give two examples of chemical change, and the answer is rusting of iron, burning of magnesium strip, and curdling of milk. Second question is give two examples of physical change, and the answer is melting of ice and folding of a paper. Third one is out of food called kerosene and LPG, which causes least pollution as a fuel, and the answer is LPG causes least pollution as a fuel. Fourth question is how will you make a piece of chalk from chalk dust, and the answer is make a paste from chalk dust using water and roll it into the shape of a piece of chalk. Now moving towards the differences, and the first one is physical change and chemical change. First point in physical change, physical properties like shape, volume, color, state of the substance change. First point in chemical change, chemical properties of the substance change. Second point is substances with new properties are not formed. Second point in chemical change, substances with new properties are formed. Last point, they are generally reversible change. In chemical change, there are generally irreversible changes. Now, talking about chapter number 7, section B, answer in one sentence, and the first question is mention the types of climate, and the answer is there are hot and dry, hot and humid, moderately hot and humid, and cold and dry. Second question is who prepares the weather reports in India, and the answer is the weather report in India are prepared by the meteorological department of the government. Third question is what are the main elements of the weather, and the answer is the main elements of the weather are the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. Fourth question is what bird do when winter sets in the polar region, and the answer is when winter sets in polar region, birds migrate to warmer region. Now talking about give differences, and the first one is weather and climate. First point in weather, the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place is called weather. In first point in a climate, the average weather pattern taken over a long time is called climate of the place. Second second point is weather can vary over very short period of time. Second point is climate of a place is fixed, so it cannot change for very short period of time. Second one is polar region and tropical region. First point in polar region, the regions nearby the north and south pole of earth is called polar region. First point in tropical region, the region located around the equator is called tropical region. Second point is the region is covered with snow and it is very cold for most part of the year. Last point in tropical region, the region has rainforest and the climate is hot and humid. So here we are completing our section B of chapter 5 to 7 and you have to write all the revision in Fair Notebook. Thank you.